retest next day.
Oh shit! Oh, I gotta show you this one, Shorty.
This one here. So I was short it here below this level right here, 102. And I'll quickly shift it to here. Yeah, so it's hitting all the tops here. So it has a weekly top as a magnet here, 108.
Shorty, would it be smart since banks are having earnings to start to look at like energy sector stocks or like oil stocks since they both kind of run together?
You could, yeah.
Oh, I got. Oh,
They move a little slower.
yeah, they do. Look at this one on
So it's hitting all
NEE
the
next
tops
era.
here. So it has a weekly
That
top
trend line
as
is
a magnet
disgusting.
here, 108.
I posted on chat for you. This is the last one I posted for you. Lower or higher, low, higher, low. I don't know why my fingers are too fast. Higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. Is that a lower high? Higher, low, higher, low, higher.
That's not lower high, right?
No,
That's higher low.
yeah, my fingers are too fast.
Yeah.
It's higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. Instead of
Called,
lower.
called next NE.
Yeah, next era.
Let's look at it here. So NE. Well, I mean, it has room to 29.38, which would be closed cloud right here, 29.36.8. So it would need to get over this daily top, which I would say 27 is your entry on it, 27.01. So 27.01 is your entry, and then you can take it all the way to 29.36. It does have bearish divergence here.
Oh, I don't think it's that one, Shorty. It's NEE.
Oh, NEE, I was about to say.
Yeah, NEE. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, this one's
She's gassed out, I think, with the Celts, right?
huh?
She has room up to the top Celt.
Well, it's in a bearish mode here. It's actually about to execute a bearish backdoor.
Oh shit! Yeah, I just saw that. Fuck.
87.31, and it has a lot of bearish momentum all the way to about 84. So here would be your support. I personally would not touch it until it goes above 88. I'll wait for retest on this.
Damn it.
Yeah. I mean, it has room, right? But you really have to wait.
Oh yeah, for sure. That last.
It gets a little tight. So
Yeah.
Morgan Stanley, I guess we did that one at 104. So 104.50. How are the contracts on Morgan Stanley? When does Morgan Stanley report? Does anyone have it out?
Give me a sec. MS.
Let's check JPM. Check daily first. Ooh.
The 19th, I think.
Let's see. So JPM is 114. So that's Friday, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Hold on. I'm gonna get
Man,
you.
that bear 5 on JPM worked out pretty nice. Right here, 158 all the way down to 151. That was good. And you could play this honestly here. We could play this. Probably over 168. So I guess we could watch JPM tomorrow. Amazon. I think
Oh,
we're on Amazon. Yeah.
TSM has earnings on Thursday, Shorty.
That's interesting. Let's see. So we have that. We have that. Let's look at Amazon. Ooh, let's see what you got, Amazon. Man, could this be like a massive? Look at this.
It could be. That's
I mean, even if you go this way, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not bad. But then you have a massive head and shoulders here.
she still has room to the downside.
Oh yeah. I would say it has room up to here, 3,200.
Oh my gosh, Shorty. And I know those contracts move bananas.
Let's see. Uh, Amazon almost completed a bear down cycle. You see this?
Yeah.
They finished the upper cycle on Friday, I guess 2 or 3 Fridays ago. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Fridays ago? So now, yeah, it looks like 3155 would be the level, which is a weekly bottom.
So Shorty, when you chart over the weekends, do you chart on bigger time frames, or are you still doing it like if you're charting throughout the week?
No, I just still look at the dailies. I'll look at the weeklies, and then I'll look at the Celts.
Oh, gotcha.
So here's a monthly. This is a monthly Celt on on Amazon. You see what's it holding on to?
Yeah, by a hair. Yeah.
Yeah, it's called the monthly middle here, 325283. Look, they closed right there below it.
Ooh.
I mean, this has room. I would short it below the lows here. I would short it here. And if that happens, right, so we have the weekly bottom, which was, there goes the weekly bottom. See the weekly bottom, that would be a nice target. So if we break what, 32, 38, 32, 30, let me see what's the low of this candle. 32, 38, 74. 32, 38, 74, because that was the support. Yeah, definitely look at this.
Oh,
And let's look at.
oh wow.
I don't know, this one's a tricky chart. And the only way you can take some calls here about 33.4. Then you would have this guy here. 342. How big is this candle? 33. 3428.
Sure.
Yeah, this would be a nice long opportunity here. So NQs, if they fall below here, honestly, it's a disaster. This is your alarm right here. Yeah, see here, this one has a lot of resistance here. This one's resistance. Multiple. So this is nice. This would be what is weekly min. This is weekly min here on NQ, but that could be a nice rejection to take a short. It's just that it has this daily bottom here. And you need to get over that. It's really, really choppy till it breaks this weekly min here. And then it has this resistance multiple, which line up with the 4 hours. So a true breakout happens right here, 16.1, and it goes all the way to 16.6. On the left.
Yo, Shorty, I tagged you in a few pics in chat.
Yeah, I'm about to look at it here.
I did a few filters and try to pop some scanners, and some notable names are on it.
See what you
The first one's a potential breakout. Has MSMU and QCOM. the value zone. Has Baba, Lucid, Pfizer,
I
QCon.
like Lucid. I like Lucid. Let's take a look at Lucid. Forward, get the fuck out of there.
And the last one is just the MACD bullish. That's a simple one.
So this is a level that we had on from last time.
Damn, that shit worked.
In the right chart. Are my candles real?
They're hiking.
Oh, they are. I was about to see, like, oh, that doesn't make sense, dude. I'm looking and it's like, all right, yeah, so that was the level that we were watching, honestly, 42.5. I think if you get that break here, maybe kill this one here. Yeah, I think this is a good level. Let's just check something real quick on and the 43. Yeah. So a safe bet would be to take this over 43. I don't know about shorting. Maybe if you want to short it below 40. So we'll keep Lucid on this watch list. Let's see, we got Amazon, Roblox, AMD. What else we got? They're saying, what are these? MACD bullish, like daily MACD. Let's see what else we got. So yeah, we talked about Myrna. I just don't like it. There's a lot of confluence points here. There's a lot of clouds here. 4 hours. I mean, it's gonna be an epic squeeze. I just want to check it on the daily chart for a second. Okay, Microsoft. Check Microsoft. That was a nice short. So now it really needs to reclaim. And has a nice doji here. If you wanted to play this, you could take this over like 316.48. The nice confirmation. So it did fill this gap here completely. So you could short it below the gap.
Yo, Shorty, the Microsoft is test the weekly breakout level.
Say it again.
On the weekly, it looks like it tested the previous breakout level.
Talking about this one.
Yeah, down right there.
Yeah, it has a little bit to go, right? It will have 306 below that. I mean, honestly, you can short this below 210.
Mm-hmm.
What is this candle here? 310.09. I would say shorter below here. And this is your first target. I mean, $4 on that is not bad. I mean, that could happen really quickly tomorrow.
Are you seeing money flowing out of tech into other sectors?
Oh, I think it will, yeah. Usually when there's, interest rates, tech gets hit heavy.
And that CPI report on Wednesday might
Trigger that.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, I would not play it, honestly, till...
Yeah, like 316.
I don't know. It just doesn't look good for long yet, unless you're swinging far out. But if the market takes a shit, then
Yeah.
you're swinging, and I don't know. I just don't like swinging at this point. I would go long over 318 here, but That's how I would play this one. Let's check to see if there's any. Yeah, I think he wants something else.
Damn, UPST's at 116. Holy shit. Damn.
MU. Let's see how's MU doing.
MU. Was that a rising wedge? Looks like it.
Can't find a nice channel on this. There we go. I'll do that one. This might not be bad if it breaks this level here. MU, yeah, it's a tricky one, honestly. I just don't see a good setup for a long yet. More short than long. Yeah, if it breaks this level here to the downside, it might go and retest the breakout level like everybody else did. And this is an important level for Qs. Doesn't look bad about previous day VH here and 382.3. That's not too bad. Riskier player. So this could work about 383 and a half. Yeah. Mhm. All right, any other pickers from anyone else? You guys want to look at? PM. What did we say? Uh-oh. The firm has a, can you guys hear me? Can anyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
No.
I'm looking
You
at
got-
fintech now.
Okay. A firm has a 4-hour closed cloud at 77.68. This would be a great opportunity for long.
Nice.
So if you zoom out in 30 minutes, I mean, even if 1 hour should be here, look at the bullish divergence on 1 hour here. And their ER is, what is it? Yeah, there's a bullish divergence all the way up to here. which was kind of like a nice breakout level over 120.
That's not a bear flag on the 4-hour, right? On A-firm?
Man, look, they're hitting May 20 at 150s. I might join them on this. I'll buy some of these tomorrow just for fun. I'm gonna swing these
150s?
for May. Yeah,
God
Dude,
damn.
they're gonna blow out their earnings. Let me show you something.
That's crazy. I love it.
Watch this. Once it breaks this 120 level right here, there's literally nothing. The market makers will hold it back up to here.
Makes sense.
There's not a single thing that's gonna be holding it back. Whenever this happens, this is easy money. So here now, I mean, obviously you see how it's choppy, you know, the 4-hour cloud's the green one, it's inside the daily cloud. This is our weekly cloud. So it's all kind of sitting there right now. Where do we close? The 79.62. So really choppiness doesn't stop till it crosses 85. So this one might be super interesting tomorrow. Where is it? I'm just gonna go here, check the daily real quick. Oh, look at that daily. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shorty will be in this tomorrow. If it could get over 85.65, this is gold.
Damn, I love this setup. I also like PayPal's setup on the daily.
Yeah.
It seems like it's an accumulation phase on the daily. This
Didn't
is
they have some news on the coin or some shit? I think they did.
yeah.
So the next higher high would be a 107 on. So this is previous swing high here. You just see if this actually worked out from Fibs. Right on the money, huh?
Nutty. That's wild, bro.
Right on the money. No, Firm's not a hot item, but it can go on the watch list. Not the best setup, but it can definitely go here. It's worth a swing for me at one point. Over 85.65, he said. You can literally short it below 75. Now let's get the ES levels.
Oh shit. Oh, Shorty, by the way, Hong Kong opened strong.
Oh yeah, that's
So
good.
Might be a watch for Baba, Neo, all the other ones. That's interesting. Didn't you say once it was usually if spies down, Hong Kong will be up and vice versa? Or was somebody else?
No, I don't think I ever said that.
No, probably somebody else.
Yeah, there's slightly green here, but that's nothing here. We still have more room maybe to downside here to about 4, 5, 4, 6, 11. Funny. NQ is trying to reclaim this level here. It needs to get over 15,673. And then it has strong support on NQ on this level, which is a daily bottom and a 4-hour bottom. Strong support. It's all choppy, huh? I would short SPY below this, otherwise you might get eaten alive. 464.9, 464.69. Yeah, which makes sense here. So if it breaks that trend line, breaks this guy, then target would be 461. Target will be 461, which is the daily bottom. That's target number 1, daily bottom. So we would go there. Where are you? JPMQs, Tesla, India firm. Firm is not there.
Have you done PayPal yet, Shorty?
Not yet. I'm about to. What was I doing? Spy.
Yeah, SPY.
Yeah, spy. I'll short here. So pre-market. What was the previous day high? Wow, it's all the way up there. Wow, that's crazy. That's a nice range there. What a range there. $5. All right. Empty goes here. Q's will go here. Here. All right, so let's look at PayPal. What did I draw here? That's so bright. There you go. Chart's done. I get a damn color right. Yeah, so honestly, Flipper, I don't know. I don't know how you play this otherwise here. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a pure accumulation right here.
Yeah, also I was gonna ask you, is accumulation phase, and would you
Yeah.
wait for the gap? Would you measure to the gap or the measured move?
Yeah, it would be a measured move, probably somewhere to the gap. So if you're to go here and what is this? What is this, like 10%?
That's not bad.
So 10%. So somewhere around here, yeah. I would probably play the gap.
You
I mean,
you will play to the gap or when it goes in the gap?
I would play to the gap
Oh,
from here, long over. Just because there's boxes, you don't want to be caught inside of these boxes.
hell no, that's why. Oh, that's interesting.
That's a Wyckoff formulation here. Just stage 1 now. I don't know if everyone knows the Wyckoff. So it has a couple of stages, has 5 phases that it needs to go. This is phase 1 right now. I would say maybe even phase 3 right here, right now. We still haven't seen the drop. I don't know. Yeah, we still haven't seen, in Wyckoff, you usually see this, then they try to trigger selling, right? Which would be a test. Then they literally go this way. So as long as, you know, this might be a short opportunity, but also the reclaim of this is a strong buying opportunity. And usually the way this works, this line here in the Wyckoff, it would be something like this. Then it comes back. This is where your buying opportunity would be. And then you literally go and rock it. But I'm just drawing this line. It doesn't mean anything, but usually this is how it works. They drop it, scared of retail. They take their shares, go up higher. Then they sell off again because people think it's going to sell off. People freak out. They buy more shares here, and then they send it to the moon. So yeah, I would watch that level there. Actually, I might even put an alert on this guy. What else you got? Anyone else?
CRM, those two candles on the daily, they close right at or not they close, but
Oof, that's nasty.
those last two candles are interesting because they both hit at 226.05.
Did you look at the weekly candle?
No, I did not.
Yeah,
Damn.
yeah, bro, this is headed to 210. I'm
Oof.
actually gonna short this guy. I'm gonna short it below 225. That's a good setup for shorting. Maybe that candle on the weekly. Whew.
Busting.
Yeah, so if you think about it, right? So this stock had a huge ER. I remember when they did it, and then it accumulated here for a moment, right? And then like a falling wedge or just a down channel. Then it broke. It came back for a retest. Then they ran it up to 300s. And now, if you think about it, there's your 60-on-8. There's your 50% break. This is headed to 210. I mean, this is a previous breakout level here. And if I go on Kelp, let's see what they say. It's below the daily weekly bottom, dude. It's below 4 hours. If it breaks at 225, it's below that one. It's below the daily. Man, this is some really bad bear setup on it. And here's the monthly chart, which I rarely pull it up, but here, just to give you an idea, there's a chance that it might go to 190.
Damn.
So this looks, man, it looks pretty bearish. And I think they got a bunch of downgrades too.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the 4 hours. This is a classical bear flag, dude. This is a bear pennant as it gets.
I like it. I like it for the downside.
Yeah, I'm gonna short the hell out of this before below 225.
Let's go. Damn.
This makes the top list here. How do I copy these things? Let's see what it's, so that's this one. How's Etsy doing? Did I reclaim 195? Dude, this was a short of the year, honestly. This was so clean. Still has more to go. What you think, guys? Let's see more. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is a monthly mids right here. It's gonna bounce here. It's gonna go to 190 tomorrow if the market's good. Oh my God, I will short the hell out of below 179. So here's is below the daily. So tomorrow it might run up to like 187. Yeah, this one has a lot of room for down still. I don't like their business model. I mean, it's good, but just weird. 30 minutes, 1 hour. Check some stuff here. Oh, it's selling off. Look at this volume that's picking up on these red days here. But what else? Firm, 520. What am I looking here? Alchemist, what am I looking at here on 520? Are you talking? Can't figure this out.
I think he was talking about the contract that you were trying to get into for Afrin.
Yeah. I don't know what the top is of the premiums. Oh yeah. Sure, can you look at shop? Yep, let's look at shop. Shop. Ooh. What up, shop? Shop is just dying. Wow. Does anyone see anything interesting here in shop? Anyone? Any patterns, something here? I mean, what about if I do this?
Oh, AB.
What pattern was this?
Oh, head and shoulder.
Yeah, so you had a measured move here to here, which was 21%. From here, right on. It's very close to a bounce right here. Should bounce here somewhere. See if we can catch that bounce. Nasty weekly candle, man. I mean, this is a nice bear flag here. Oh, definitely shorter below here. I'll probably take to do shop. Let's just check if there's any secret levels in there looking at. Okay, so oof, man, people are gonna get destroyed on shop long potentially tomorrow. They could make money, but it's gonna be bloody. Oh man. So let's see. And you almost have to wait for 11. If you want to play it, play it. You have to wait for this level here to be broken. This 1150 to be broken, and then 1120. I would say 1120 for short side. At least that's the levels I would play.
Shorty, have you charted Baba yet?
Yeah. So this one, yeah, just not the best setup yet. Yeah, Baba's let's see. Baba, ooh, 123 is golden opportunity for Baba. If it hits weekly bullish money shot, buy here. So this would be a good level if it was to bounce here. This would be great. Then also it has a potential for backdoor right here at 129.5 for our potential backdoor. And then, I mean, above, you see where it rejected.
Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, that's
So it rejected a daily cloud. Yeah, but the momentum is really, really bad here. Yeah, I just got the full send on 4 hours to short. Yeah, I won't. I mean, it will have to go over this. This never misses, dude. So look here. It showed up here on the short side. It showed up here when it was at 180 full send short. And look how that worked out for $50. Here said to go long, full send at 162, and it went all the way to what, 182. So now it's saying short right here.
all right. So we short that. Let's go.
Yeah, there's a high chance we're gonna reject here. I would definitely short it below 128. This is a 4-hour trend bar here.
Check the contracts how they are on the put side.
I mean, it's been running wild when you think about it. Yeah, look at this. I mean, this is a daily. I mean, over 133 has 147. So if it goes there, there's a high chance we get this run to up here. I like it over 133, honestly, 134, I would say. Yeah, good find. Let's see if I went over 134, 50. Alright, so here's the place so far. I don't know if you got anything else for anyone. What else do you have? What?
I'm just looking.
I think we just have Piton, I'm sorry. Falling wedge.
I'm trying to find a potential long, but
This is
okay.
not a bad swing probably here. You see this breakout level here? From this day here, 12-2. Look how it came back to that level. See how I retested it, broke it? It literally broke it again. Here, I just have to see the volume on this thing. I mean, it's still not the best volume. This is a tricky one a little bit. Do you see this buyer right here on Baba?
Damn. Ooh. Was that you, Shorty?
No, it wasn't. But I mean, it looks good. I was looking at Piton to see what they beat on. February 18th, 50. Wow. Is this a spread? Yeah.
I forgot to tell you about the cybersecurity sector, like Crowd and ZS.
Yeah, I like ZS. I think I must swing some of these pelotons. The 50 calls or even like 40s, 45. But yeah, that's 45. There you go. Yeah, I like the February 4th 40 calls on pelotons. Then those are going to print. Let me just chart them real quick. Yeah, look at this, dude. This is a really good setup on these contracts, guys. Look, This looks good, man. These Peloton contracts look good. They're as low as $1, dude. People are already banking on these.
$1.
Oh, look at the volume here. They're buying them left and right.
Yeah. You might
If I can get this somewhere in this range tomorrow, this should be good. 174 to 213.
Oh hell yeah, bro. With those profits you're gonna bank off it, you can get another Piton bike.
Yeah, I don't even use this shit. I like the Piton, this one. See what they did to these. Cool, I like these, dude. Alright, well, if somebody else got anything. Facebook, yeah, I didn't notice Facebook. Let me check real quick.
God.
Yeah, it's not a bow flag. Might look like a bow flag, but definitely not a bow flag yet. That's a nice inverse head and shoulders because this is a downtrend here. 340 to 305. I mean, 384 all-time highs. This looks pretty good here. Looks like it's over 340.
Oh, Shorty, the last one I have for you is Zoom.
Yeah, good call. Forgot about Zoom.
I have some more, but
I
I know.
mean, just if you see some levels, just update the watch list. If you find some fire ones.
Sounds good, my man.
Let's see. So we have maybe we said Facebook. Let me just check Facebook here.
Especially in Miami, a lot of people are like, working from their homes, remote through Zoom and all that. So
Check this out. Zoom. And this stock got the fucking destroyed.
oh yeah. You want to talk about a stock that got destroyed, bro? I just peeped that from Zoom, before Zoom, Zillow. Zillow got freaking massacred, bro.
Oh yeah.
I bet you won't guess where's that at? It's at $56, bro.
So it was at 200 at one point.
Yeah, it was, bro.
Yeah, so this one just broke below the breakout level here. I mean, this is, it just needs to reclaim 182.45. Yeah, I mean, it's in a bad spot. Holding the daily bottom, which is good. Yeah, it'll probably bounce here once it reclaims this 172, probably run to 176. So 173 breaks, you can play the 176. I just don't know how expensive these contracts are anymore. I mean, they're a little pricey. Just not very active. Yeah, I'll watch tomorrow, maybe 173, see how it does. The daily candle would tell you to kind of, inside the just wait for 180 to break, but then you have daily middle 185, so it's not bad. Break 180, play the one. Let me make sure you don't get hit here. Yeah, break 180 or 185, and then it goes to 196. That's what I'll do on this one.
Oh, and also, Shorty, I'm waiting for the perfect entries for docs, S, and apps.
Yeah, their docs looks probably at 40s. Yeah.
I just
See,
know they're
this is
I know there's
still
guys,
11.
but they're so tasty, dude. And they can definitely like give you a minimum of like a 5x.
Yeah, look, come on.
It's right there, bro. It's at 47.
Look at this. So you have this bar here. I mean, this is not a bad buy for shares. Have they been buying options on this?
Mm-hmm. Oh, all their contracts are monthlies.
Just not very heavy on contracts yet. You guys didn't want to take it out. I might take this over 45 tomorrow. Uh, 10 to 1 calls to puts.
Damn. Ooh. Damn, missed it. Damn. I missed the bounce on coin on 224 level.
Coin, coin, coin.
If you go on the daily, that 224 level bounce right again off it. 224.5, yeah. Around it.
Yeah, I would say it's a morning star on the daily. Let's see, this guy. How do you copy this, Shorty? Alright, well, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go get some sleep. If you find something, just put it in the watch list there.
Sounds good, bro.
I'm gonna go get some sleep, man. I'm so tired.
Thanks for your time as always, Shorty.
Alright, thank you guys. Have a good night.
What else can I find? Jesus. Oh, shit. What else can I find? Ooh. Oh, fuck. I forgot about XQ. Damn it. QSQ. Alright, levels for SQ. Let's get them off. 149. 44.76. 149.02. 153.2. 153.28. And to 153.28. 57.5. So just have some more alerts. That shit's a go. 61 is where is the highest premium bets. SQ. Okay. Roku. Dot tittied. Damn, Roku. You got clapped. Roku Chewy. God. Mm, 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 mm. SQ baby. Not shit. Fuck. The fuck was that on Chewy? Chewy. God damn, they're fucking letting this damn dog starve. Poor Chewy. Poor dog is starving. Chewy. Damn. Who's that? She's taking my attention. Hold the fuck up. No, I went up. Let's see. CEO. Overflow. Overflow. Roku. Overflow. The IPS. Divergence. they're bullish on AMAT and phase. TSM. Oh, SoFi. I'll go flow. Uy, hijo de puta, casi. Oh, and phase. Come on, bitch. ENPH. And phase. And phase, nigga. Yeah. People. Ish. Oh, wow. She's gonna die. Damn, these contracts suck ass on M phase. Fuck that. That shit can run without me. Okay, AMAT, AAMT. AMAT. Ooh. It's like a $20 move right there. 20. That's an $18 move right there. So I'll go flow. Damn it. I'll go flow. Divergence 5-day. Bitch, aparece, coño. Ah, mother god, fuck. Puta madre, coño. Ooh, Octa. Haven't heard about Octa in a while. Oh. Yet.